ezweni lonke kubakho ingxoxo ngombuzo nje olula okokuba ingaba udumo ubutyebi zingaguqula isimo somuntu na. Abaninzi bakholelwa ukuba zibonakalisa isimo sokwenyani somuntu. Nokuba unemali eninzi kwandisa inkohlakalo nokungcola. Abanye bathi imali iyayiguqula inhliziyo yomuntu. Eli libali ngomduduzi mlilo Dube. Wayengoyena mdlali odumileyo owaziwayo. Njengoko wayenesisipho kungikhito fana nemali yagaleleka wasisityebi enokugwagwisa okungapha kokucinga. Impumelelo yenza abantu bacinge ukuba abanakwenzakala ngoba bazinqandi.
Ntwana udlale ngathi intombazana.
Lilo, we have to go. I'm going to be late for my shoot.
Come baby. From Lilo. Yeah, boy.
Yazi uthi ngiyakuhlonipha ngithi and I look up to you.
Yeah, so
bengicabanga uhlasimbu ngangaya ama-tip nyana, to brush up on my skills lapha nalapha.
Funi advice from me boy.
Yeah, ngithi one day nami ngifuna ube captain njengawe. Hlasimbe kwazi bani ngibe striker njengawe futhi.
Striker for the team le?
Yeah.
Mamela ntwana ne usuke emaplazini uyafika la big lights ufuna uba captain for the team. Boy, I'm captain for the team. I'm the main striker here. I'm the fire. When I will back to second division, not run some more boy ne. Baby, don't worry, we won't be here long, right?
Yes, Lord.
Mr. Officer.
Ngisacela ibone license yakho.
License.
Mr. Dube.
The one and only, Mlilo. Best player in South Africa, as now in his office.
Awusho ke ndoda. Kungani uhamba ngo120 endaweni kumele ngabe ushayela ngo60 kuyona?
Mr. Fisher, I didn't realize ukuthi ngihamba ngo120. Uyayibona imoto yashisa so
Sisike, kumele utholele inqola ezokubuyisela ekhaya. Ngoba isoka lakho leli ngihamba nale police station.
Mara Mr. Officer. Asikhulume Mr. Officer.
Kanjani?
Ubambe la ngathi ngathi
awubona. Ndoda phuma emotweni. Phuma emotweni.
Mr. Officer ngathi ukuthi
phuma emotweni ndoda obushala ngesivinini esiphezulu ungafakanga nebhande. Kanti ke ngokwenza njalo faka impilo yakho engozini.
Uzoba umuntu famous.
Ushayela ungafasanga nebhande.
I got a game this weekend.
Ufuna ukubhriba nephoyisa lomthetho angithi.
Let him go.
Give you tickets, Mr. Officer.
You have a right to remain silent. Whatever you say will be used against you in the court of law.
Okay, my tickets.
If you look phuma kuwe ndoda.
Mr. Officer. Mr. Officer. If you have tickets, ngilimaza officer.
Yayisisiqalo selishwa likaMlilo. Ukubanjwa kwakhe uMlilo yaba ngundaba mlonyeni kodwa wayengakhathali. Yayinto nje kuye, yaye wayevuyela udumo. Ukophula kwakhe umthetho wayezithatha njengenqambi. Nditsho nomqeqeshi wakhe wayephelelwe ngumonde. Umqeqeshi weqela wazama ukuba iqela lakhe linyuselwe kwizinga eliphezulu. Uzame kwisizini ezintathu ezidlulileyo. Wayesokoliswa lithemba lakhe Umlilo. La ngamadoda ekumele uba abambene, kodwa babesilwa njalo ngenxeni yokokuba Umlilo wayengeva.
Umele coach, unokwazi ususpenda Mr. Plesa kasonke?
Anginokwazi, usho kanje anginokwazi. Awuboni sengikwenzile lokho.
Umele coach. Mina ndi number 1 striker lapha eteam. South Africa yonke yandazi. Ufuna ubona mina kule match lezayo. Ufuna ubona mina. Nje bekuzikhundla lapho kuso wena. Kungenxa yami. Ngicela next wena.
Hey wena Njandini, hey, ngilalela lana mfana uthi. Yazini wena ngikudobha le stratini la kwayizolo, Ugcwele amafinyile. Ngiyakuthatha ngikubeka lana, ngibeke entweni. Khona manje ngicanga uwazi kakhulu wena. Into yazi, wazi kahle kule mpela sonto lena sinedaba enkulu. Wazi kahle nokuthi neteam iyakudinga. Yini ngawo kanti?
Okay mamela coach Mamela. Thing is famous yabo. And yawazi amaphepha njani ubhala ngathi like i-soccer players. Uyayazi njani?
Oh, famous, Le khanda lakho leli ligcwele famous. Yilo leke ngizuthi weso. Yini lento lena emaphepheni? Emaphepheni wonke la kungawo. Khona manje uhamba ubhizi ubrabana nabantu omthetho. Yini lento yenzayo?
Coach, please man.
Yazini, lalela la. Ngikhathele uya ngizothini. Angisafuni ukubona next ngawo. Angifuni ukuzwa next ngawo. Uyangizwa? Khona manje yazi every weekend kungawo, Ngapha uyaphuza. Hewe udakiwe. Phansi phezulu. Amantombazane. Wamutshala amangane yonke le ndawo lena. Lalela lana yazi angisafuni ukubona lana ngizongithini. Ngifuna uphuma uhambe la. Ngiyaksuspenda manje. Angisafuni ukubona.
Mamela coach. If ndavaya, ubani uzodla endaweni yami?
Ubani? Usho kanjani? Usho kanjani? Buka. Babe, uzola nawo.
Uzola?
Uzola.
Ufaka lathi lesonifika etimini uzola endaweni yami. Istar strike sala South Africa. Wonke umuntu kule weekend uzobona nami sobathi wena man. Yes. Ezino coach, dikiwe file way yakho man. Ya wena yangeke man. Yes. Babe, can I have some more beers there?
You're drinking the last two. We need to go to the shops.
Later, babe. Watch him lose, babe. I'm the best player in South Africa. Now they're putting that small boy Uzola to play against the strong teams. What is he gonna do?
Lilo, I want to go shopping.
Not now, babe. I'm listening to the game. You see, the other team is gonna defend their post.
What a brilliant goal by this young man. Wow. The second goal of the match.
Lalela bafana. Into engifunga icimbe ecinile. Konke wena igoli yethu. Ngithi Hlongwane Tawu nawe
Yakhawuleza yaphela inyanga. Wabuyela Umlilo eqeleni nelochuku lakhe.
Good. Captain striker sami futhi engisithatha kakhulu. Zola.
Sorry, I'm late, coach. So coach, what about me?
What about me? Yani manje.
Coach, angithi ngibuyile manje ne. It's been a month, you know. My friends, they miss me, you know, and I'm back. Umlilo is back.
Inyanga yonke uloku kuphi, usekhaya, uhlezi, hlalela amakhwinya, nani notshwala. Into ozoyenza wena?
Mara coach, you're not serious, yes? Lots of teams out there, I've been getting calls. They want me, coach. I'll leave this team of yours, yes?
Lalela. Yazi wena unenkinga. Lama team amaningi okhuluma ngawo yiphi izothatha wena? Awungitshele yiphi? Uyahlupha wena uhlupho yiphi izokuthatha?
Coach, are you serious? You're gonna let me go just like that?
Lalela la. Wena ngisafuze ngokufundisa isifundo. Njengoba uthi uzohamba. Sobe ngifuna ukuthi wenze kanjalo. Uzapho sincede kakhulu. Naziza kuma contract.
Abanye abantu abaziboni impazamo zabo. Umlilo wayengumuntu onjalo. Nangona esikiwe eqeleni. Akafuni ukuvuma ukuba nguye onetyala.
Mna, Mlibo. Best player in the league. They want to drop me and they want to terminate my contract.
Do we have to talk about this now?
Pinky baby, this is my livelihood. Le team le iwina i-championships eziyi-3 ngenxa yami. Umlilo anoyike la coach ithatha uZola letincinci to come replace me indawo yami i-captain ye-team.
I think it's time you consider retiring, okay? Maybe you could be a TV commentator or
Rubbish.
something.
No, che, sauce. Ndisascora ama-goals. Indimi captain. Ndiyeke le ntwana ingene endaweni yami. Never.
So what are you going to do?
I don't know. But I must find a way to get rid of that boy. It's not over. Not now.
Inhliziyo enhle ingenza imimangaliso. Ingaguqula ilizwe, ishenxise intaba. Kanti kwanembi inhliziyo inamandla ngaphezulu kwentshwabulo yegqirha xa umniniyo enqwenelela omnye umuntu ububi.
Yeah, sure. Mamela. Bolathi le. Ufuna ihambe kulo team. Ayicapukela nifuni. I mean, umuntu wenza team iwile. Umlilo uphuma ngaphandle teamini. Yadika lathi yabona ntwana. Andifuna phe teamini. Ngabe ngachashwa imoto. Bethwe itrain, ubethwe ngubani. Andifuna phe teamini ntwana.
Amara po lento yenza ikhusha kungabushi lo munye umuntu into eblind.
Ufuna team.
Mlilo. Yazi ngifuna ukutshela ukuthi wazi ukuthi akusho ukuthi angikuthandi. Nami ngiphethe. Abangiphethe bathi bafuna ukuthi investe kule ntsha le.
Whatever, coach.
Uthini?
Ala ngithi coach. Zola, can I come in, Twan?
Awu. Mlilo. Bewa yini la mfethu?
Ngizobona wena boy. Alright?
Sure mfethu. Uze yonke le ndlela uzibona mina.
Just for wena boy. Mara and then kuhamba.
Hayi. Doctor mfethu bathi amathuba ami ukuthi ngiphinde ngihambe mfethu. Mancane ka. Nyawo lami la ka left completely paralyzed mfethu.
Mara what about the career yakho ntwana?
Yiphi le career? Bisemabhanishing mfethu ngilimele. Yengiphinde ngidlale futhi.
Mara ntwana, they were grooming you to be the next me.
Ngiyazi Mlilo. Nami ngicabanga kanjalo kodwa isekho into engayenza. Buka nje. Mlilo.
Shoza.
Cela ifeva mfethu. Ngomgqibelo Mlilo, le game isakuyona. Ngiyacela. Do me proud, mfethu. Do me proud.
Ngawari ntwana yami. Le match lisa yomqhubelo. Dlala wena.
Sure.
Ngizoskora ama-goal for wena boy.
Sure.
Ungasabi.
Sure.
Bekreneza. Baby, fire is back in the team.
What happened?
Zola is paralyzed and he won't be playing anymore.
That's awful.
But baby, who's side are you on anyway? With him out of the team, I'm back in it.
The coach has not even called you yet.
But baby, he will. He will. Trust me. Speak of the devil. Hey, Coach, Mishan.
Hey, what njani?
Yeah, khona. Can I get you something to drink, Coach?
Khululeka. Yazi anginasikani jahe kakhulu. Futhi nawe isikhathi sakho ufuze jabulisisise phela.
Coach, kutheni wabe emsweni? Did I do something wrong or?
Hayi no, khululeka. Wena ayikho inkinga. Lalela la. Ninenkinga enkulu. Njenge-team sinenkinga enkulu kakhulu.
Khuluma, Coach, ngimamela.
Mlilo. Funa teamini yami. Funa ubuyela futhi back eteamini.
Mina? Don't you have a new star eteamini lakho ubani uZola?
Lalela manje. Funa ukuthi wena ubuyela back eteamini. Uyazi Umlilo. Ukwenzela yonke nenye into ofunayo.
Coach.
Yeah.
You know how much I love the team, eh?
I know. Into engiyaziyo.
And you know I would do anything for the team, right?
Umlilo engikhuluma ngayo.
Okay. Now before that, Coach, I want two things. I want a new contract. And I want you guys to double my pay.
Hey. Wona manje.
Umlilo wabuyela eceleni lakhe enamaxhaka ingathi uvela emfazweni ngoku uzokuthabatha isikhundla sakhe qha. Hofu akabonisanga ngathalo ezixelele ukuba yindawo yakhe le engakhathalali nokuba ubani uthini. Esibhedlela apho uZola leli khona ezibona ephumile ephilile selebuyele eceleni edlala ibhola akazange aphelelwe lukholo nethemba yaye akazange avumele inzondo enhliziyweni yakhe.
Manana, nangu mlipizo wakho. Fulisa ibhola ke.
Basithuma the. Nangu mathenje ndibuzithuma na. Manana nangu manana.
Yes.
Umlilo.
Yes, hamba naye. It's a goal! Yes! Ness, my foot moved! Nasty!
Guys, must admit, this all abekushisa the labor of old. Ibona khona sikole inturu ye goal, eh? Iye boy ne? Iye boy lo. Iyo, goal. Eh? Lilo.
awume kancane usuku lonke kungawo mina lokhu hayi masikhathele uwe mna
Ah, mara coach, you must admit, you always ngishisa. Otherwise, guys, you see.
hey Zola
Inzondo kaMlilo yakhula ekubeni uZola ebuyele eceleni. Wayesazi ukuba kuphelile ngaye. Akukho umuntu oza kumnyamezela. Kwaye wayethandazela ukuba uZola asoze aphile. Umuntu onjani nalo onengcinga zikaSathane? Hayi andimqondi. Into oyicingayo imini ezi ude uyiphuphe. Umnqweno kaMlilo ukubona uZola onzakele. Into le yahlala ephupheni lakhe. Kulapha ephupheni umnqweno wakhe waphumelela izigaba ezibili. Umohluko kweli phupha umbane awuzange umonzakalise uZola kodwa wamphilisa. Yayiliphupha elihlekisayo kodwa isiphumo salombane sasingahlekisi kuMlilo ngoba uthe kusuku olulandelayo wambona uZola ephile eqede. Iphupha lakhe beliyinyani. uZola ungumqabaqaba njengegqabi levinika. Ingaba bethu lo mbane obethe uZola okwesibini ingaba wenzeka kwilizwe singaliboniyo thina? Kwenzeka njani uphuphe ebusuku ibe yinyani ngengomso?
What an amazing game by this young man Zola. He's absolutely a rising star, particularly if you consider that he just came off an injury and in the absence of their veteran star, Mlilo. I think this is one to watch out for. That young Zola, he really carried this game. What happened to Mlilo? He was the star of this team for the last 3 seasons. To go from superstar player to being fired is just unbelievable. There are rumors it's not just his prima donna ways that got him fired. Apparently, he took some money to throw a few games away. That's a serious accusation. That kind of behavior won't win you any friends.
Samgqibela ngoko uMlilo. Xa unqwenela ububi komnye umuntu lumka isikhuni sibuya nomkhwezeli. Wasifunda nzima uMlilo isifundo.